Hey, what is up guys? John here at Tekmogo. Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something different, but kind of the same. This is the Magcube 120 Watt Pro desktop charger from Aohi. Now you can pick this up on Amazon or from Aohi's website. I'll put links in the description in case you want to check it out. Just a heads up, the Amazon link is an affiliate link, so if you use the link to make a purchase, I'll receive a small commission and you help support the channel at no additional cost. It's very much appreciated. Now Aohi did send this out to me to check out, so big thank you to them for doing that. But like always, they had no input on this video. This is all on me. If there's anything I don't like about the charger, I'll let you know. And if I feel that it's not a good buy, I'll let you know. So in this video, we'll unbox these, check out the build quality, check out the features and specs. We'll test it out on some of my devices, and I'll let you know what I think of it. So it comes in this black, white, and yellow box with some Aohi branding up top, a picture of the charger front and center. On the bottom, it says Magcube 120 Watt Pro 4-port desktop charger. On the back of the box up top, you've got more Aohi branding. You've got some logos for GaN fast charging technology, leader of 3 stages charging technology, and 18-month hassle-free warranty. On the bottom, you've got some specs like the max power output, the dimensions, and the weight, and where it was manufactured. So let's unbox these and see what we get inside. So inside the box, you get a power cord that is 5 feet in length, and you get the Aohi power adapter, which is made out of hard plastic. It's got some weight to it. On the back here, you've got your power cable ports, and on the front here, you've got your 4 USB ports, 2 USB-A's and 2 USB-C's. Now the charger is made out of a hard plastic, and it's got some heft to it. It feels real solid, it feels very premium. The weight is 380 grams and the dimension is 45 by 45 by 85 millimeters. The charger's got a max output of 120 watts and it can be used on wall outlets that are 110 and 220. So you can bring this with you wherever you travel throughout the world and you'll be good to go. Now the charger has what Aohi calls intelligent power allocation, where it can smartly distribute power to fast charge 4 devices simultaneously. Now here it is with a couple of my devices plugged in. I've got my laptop on there. It's a MacBook Air M1, and I've got my wireless mouse that's charging, pair of earbuds, I think those were the earphones, free minis, and my iPhone, the iPhone 13 Pro. Now everything charged up fine. Unfortunately, I didn't do any kind of testing to see how long it would take for, say, the laptop to charge or anything like that. I might do that for another video. Now, as far as the claims of the charger and what it could do, it did its thing. It charged my laptop, it powered the laptop, it charged my phone, everything it said it could do, it did, and it did it well. So if you're in need of an all-in-one charger or a power adapter for your laptop, you might want to look into this one, because this one's pretty solid. And with having 4 ports there, it'll minimize what you bring when you're out and about to power and charge up your devices. So for me, I think this is a buy. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Appreciate you guys stopping by. If you found value in the video and like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button, because it really does help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification icon so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at Tekmogo. I'll see you in the next one.